Hi guys, welcome back. I hope everybody's having an amazing weekend. Today is Friday, February 28th, I think, something like that. Right now I'm on my way to lunch with the church ladies, and I'm really excited for that because if you know, I hardly go out at all. Like, this is my third time driving since Thanksgiving, and it feels weird. Like, I feel like I kind of like I'm a little rusty driving because like Josue has been driving us everywhere and I don't have a car of my own. So so yeah, this is like kind of important to me to go out right now. It's so bright. I'm sorry. Yay! Take it out. Take it out.
Hold on though. Bye-bye.
Bye.
A big one right here.
A spider?
Dad.
Ew.
Ew, that's all the pieces in there.
That's disgusting.
Look at that.
That's disgusting.
You see it flying around?
Yeah.
Film it. Film it.
No. Isn't enough noise. They're not gonna be able to hear anything I'm saying.
Oh no.
I love the color though. It's beautiful.
Just in case there's any stragglers that want to escape, I got you!
So, he's actually doing that because, hey, I'm trying to talk here. Because, my friend gave this to me like a year and a half ago, maybe 2 years. Actually, two
years.
Like 2 years, right?
Yeah.
And you know, for whenever I have a baby, and she knows it's like my favorite color, so she's like, I'm gonna give it to you. So we've been having it, and it was in storage, so it has like spider webs, but it's like completely new. It just has spider webs because, you know, obviously when you put it in storage,
yeah, it's just like I got in like the little corners, you know,
the little corners of the boxes. So we're just doing that, but it looks so nice. I love that color. I might put it right there, right here, just so I can see it every day when I'm watching TV, because I live in this couch, you know, so I'm gonna do it right there. It's so nice. I love it. Oh, this got totally different.
Is it easily clean?
You clean it.
But not washed.
But not washed.
Fine.
No, because
So
it was packed. Nice.
Oh, this is nice.
That's all the pieces.
Or you can like roll it around.
These things want to wash. This, I don't know. I need to open it. I don't know what that is. And that too.
Alright, so this, you can wash it. So we'll put it to wash like right now.
What's that cable for?
Oh, so you can take it out.
Fits good. Fits good. These things for. So we just got back from the supermarket, and we actually also went to eat. And if you hear music, Josue's in the bathroom, and he loves to have a concert in there. So, but anyways, today's Sunday. We had church. We had a birthday party at church after, which was really nice. Like, I'm so happy that we're like doing more things with like people, not only with each other. So that was actually really nice. I'm really happy that we got to find like a good church. And then then we came home. We were so tired. We took a nap, and I finally got to nap. And the nap, it just felt good for the first time in a long time, and actually napped on the couch, and it just felt so good. And then we got up, we went to go eat. So I got a haircut, and then I went to eat, and then went to the supermarket. Now we're home. But yeah, I know that you guys are probably like, where are you? Like, we haven't seen a vlog. Please let me know, are you alive? We're alive. It's just been a very difficult couple of days, but yeah, I haven't really done much, to be honest. I haven't really done much baby wise either. Just chilling at this point right now. But I did want to show you guys 2 pants that I bought that were really cute, and I want to show you like little things that I've been buying for, like, you know, like outfits, because I never thought I was gonna buy maternity clothes at all, but it's time because my belly's getting so big, and I feel like I'm like 30 weeks pregnant, but I'm only 21. So it's like time for me to buy clothes. So that's what I did. I actually bought 2 pants, and I'm gonna show you guys. And I have to clean the kitchen and get everything ready for tomorrow. It's Monday. I like to start the day just fresh, new, nothing dirty and nothing. I have to clean the house. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing today. So yeah. All of this. Great. Just great. And it's so weird because I got so many like birthmarks on this side of my belly. Like I like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I didn't even have these birthmarks here on this side, and then this side I have like 2 that I didn't have, but these stretch marks I had already. So and then I also got the line. My belly button's coming out, like, oh, it looks so crazy. And yeah, these are the pants that I bought in maternity, what is it, women something, I don't know, I'll put it right here. But these are the ones that I bought to go to sleep, and they're definitely to go to sleep because you could definitely see your underwear. So yeah, they're not good to go out at all. But yeah, I think they look really nice, right? Yeah guys, so this was my belly, and oh my god, I'm so exhausted. Oh my god, the struggle is real. But this is my belly, this is how it looks like. And yeah, I feel humongous, but I love it. I love my belly. I think it's so cute. So let's go to the baby room, and it's a complete mess in here. I have to clean all that. We gotta build this, throw that out, take this to the storage room, and his closet's pretty much the same. And the crib, I haven't showed you guys the crib, but this is the one that we chose, and it's humongous. Like, I have like no space like I thought, because the crib I feel like took so much space, but it's like huge. But I love it. And I put a little onesie here, and this is the crib sheet that I bought. I bought it at Target, and it has like little animals, giraffes and everything, elephants. So I love it. And this is like so far that we have already built, and he needs to do that. But I also got this little goodie bag from Motherhood and Maternity. Oh, that's where I bought this, Motherhood and Maternity. And I got this little goodie bag. I'll show you guys. came with a bottle. Came with some gift card discount things. All right, so I know I look very yellow right now, but I'm gonna finish this video here because I really need to go to sleep and my camera's dying. It's always dying. But I will see you guys very soon in my next video. We're gonna do a lot more baby stuff now, so we will definitely let you guys know. But yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and yeah, love you guys. Bye.